Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code on the chopping block is P0103, mass or volume airflow a circuit high. This means your car's computer is getting a higher voltage reading than expected from the mass airflow MAF sensor. Don't worry, this is a fairly common issue and can be tackled in a few ways. So, let's jump in and see how to fix it. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. This air is crucial for proper combustion. If the sensor malfunctions and sends a high reading, your air-fuel mixture will be off, causing performance problems. Before we begin, it's important to note that while this video offers a DIY approach, consulting a mechanic is always an option, especially if you're uncomfortable working on your car. Also, remember to refer to your car's specific repair manual for exact part locations and procedures. Rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, check engine light, hesitation during acceleration. Tools you'll need: OB2 scanner, screwdriver set, rags, MAF sensor cleaner. Before diving in, safety first. Make sure your car is cool and parked on a level surface. There are three main culprits for a P0103 code. Dirty air filter. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, tripping the sensor. Check your owner's manual for your recommended replacement schedule. Dirty MAF sensor. Dust and debris can build up on the sensor itself, throwing off its readings. We'll clean that in a bit. Faulty MAF sensor. Sometimes these sensors just wear out. We'll check for other signs after trying the first two solutions. Locate the MAF sensor. It's usually housed in the air intake tube, bolted between the air filter box and the engine. Consult your manual for exact location. Disconnect the electrical connector from the sensor. Use a screwdriver to loosen the clamps holding the sensor in place. Carefully remove the sensor and inspect it for any visible damage. Spray the MAF sensor cleaner in short bursts according to the cleaner's instructions. Do not touch the sensor wire. Let the sensor dry completely for at least 10 minutes. Reinstall the sensor and reconnect the electrical connector. After the fix, clear the trouble code with your OB2 scanner and start the engine. If the problem was resolved, the code shouldn't reappear. However, if the code returns, consult a mechanic for further diagnosis. Remember, these are general steps. Always refer to your car's manual for specific instructions. By following these steps, you might just conquer the P0103 code and get your car running smoothly again. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.